Now that I have my different views, I've got my exploded drawings, I've got my isometric view, and my orthographic view. I need to put measurements on these drawings. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the auto dimension tool. This is really just the easiest way to put dimensions on this. It's also a bit of a shortcut and it can get quite busy, but it's also very quick. So what I'm going to do is come up here to the dimensions and I'm going to go to the auto dimension. Please note that auto dimension requires the latest version of Fusion 360. And then I'm going to select my different drawings, and you can see I can select from the amount of detail that I want to add. It could be like this, could be like this, could be like this, or it could be all the way down here to super dense like this. So that's just one way to add dimensions to your drawings. I'll show you a different way in a different video. But I'm going to click OK here, and then I'm going to do that for the rest of these. So I'm going to click on auto dimension, click on this, and you'll see that it's actually starting to populate everything. And I want to be a little bit careful about how I represent this because I think this is a little more easy to read compared to something like this where these dimensions are coming up here. So I'm going to select the one down here and it's showing me all of the relevant dimensions of this drawing. It's saying the right side is the same as the left side here. That's why you don't see any dimensions on the right side view here compared to the left side view. All right, thank you for watching.